What's up, YouTube? I'm back again with another unboxing for Erin Condren. Every time I do my reviews, I always show you guys like what fits in it, and an Erin Condren planner is a must-have in my bag. I actually got a new Erin Condren planner. Like I said in my last video, I'm actually downsizing. I'm a girl that likes big purses, so when having a big purse all the time, it's right here, and it's always most of the time filled with stuff that you don't necessarily need. I usually always get the big Erin Condren planners. I'm gonna actually show you guys my first two, like my very first one and then my second one, and then also my new one. Very first Erin Condren planner, and I personally like to personalize mine. So just to give you guys a little quick view, this is just my fiance and our kids. I was pregnant here, skydiving. You could just personalize it with all your different pictures, and I always get the colorful, and they also have a more like toned down, and it's just considered floral. So yeah, this is my original. And it came with the cute little quotes in between, which I like. It's 2021, as you can see. This is just a sticker I added on to the back, and it just says racism is for clearly this. And each one comes with like a little booklet, but I don't have it in here right now. Get your coils in different colors. This is my second Erin Condren planner for just this past year. This is the black coils I got for this one. Also still personalized with my family's pictures. Super beautiful. On the back of this is just the different stuff I did throughout the year. So like the Space Jam movie, virtual chaos, my job, and then like my horse. I get it the same way, but you see this one is a little different. Still super colorful, but not as colorful. Like it just came just with still the quotes. It's that same way, but it came in more of a teal last year. I want to get into the unboxing part of everything. Erin Condren boxes, which I love. This is how they come. I think my other boxes, like they come in all different types of colors, but yep. And everything just comes packaged like so. So I'm super excited. Now the planner I have opened and touched and stuff because this is my new planner of the year, and I'm planning stuff, and I'm, like I said, I'm super ready to downsize everything. Like I'm tired of that big planner, like super tired. It's too heavy. So yeah, so this is everything that I have. I did get the Hello Kitty edition stuff. This super cute Hello Kitty. It's like a sticky notebook, holographic and gold. You pull this back and it opens up. Super beautiful, super cute. Next thing I got was these Hello Kitty. These are the page savers bookmarks. So it comes with a pink, a white, and also a purple. I am getting into tarot, so of course astrology, the signs, the zodiac signs. So this is the Hello Kitty Zodiac little notebook. And I'm sorry guys, my ring light. And I did customize it. I got my name on there. This is Ingram with my new last name, should I say. I will be Mrs. Ingram. And this one is the gold coils. You open it. So pretty. Page. Just looks like that. With the different zodiacs in each corner. And then this is just the back. And then it also comes with stickers. Sticker tabs that you're able to use. I didn't mention, but yes, every book comes with stickers. But every time I get a new planner, I rip out the stickers, so I can't show you them. But each one comes with like all the little sticker tabs. Last but not least, my beautiful, and I did customize this color. That's the good thing about it. Now the notebook you can't customize, but the planner you can get in any color that you want. So it's the exact same outside with all the Hello Kitty Zodiacs, and it's just in the pink color that I chose. So it's super cute, and it just says my name here in white. Turning around, same thing. It looks like the first one is not, or is this one colorful? It's not as colorful as the first one. It's kind of like the second one, but it does have those cute these like the first one. Like it has that pop of color, like bright color everywhere. You'll put your name here. Super cute. It's beautiful. These big tabs also come with the bigger planner, but I chose just to put them in here because I like to have dividers. So this is just how I had it set up, and I like to have the colors. That is that. And now this one, this is what I meant by the stickers in the back. So it comes with those. Now these ones are gold. Usually they're colorful, but this one comes with gold ones. Holidays, things like that. And each one also comes with a pocket in the back. Pockets. Well, a pocket in the back. And also a booklet. These little day booklets, it says plan for your tomorrow, celebrate today. And a little Erin Condren at the bottom there. And then when you open it, calendar and contact. So each page, and it doesn't have a year, so you can use this whenever. Pages. The times is lined. And then every day. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for tuning in. We are at 83 subscribers, y'all. I'm pumped, okay? Y'all got me lit. Y'all got me excited. Because the last time I think I said I had like 56, and now we're at 83. Y'all turned up. Like, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And clearly y'all like me. So let's just keep it rolling. Keep it going. And yes, until next video, peace, love, and the smoke.